Hi Harry, very very happy 40th birthday. We're all away and we can't meet each other in this stupid pandemic. So here's a little small video that we have all put together for your so-called special and milestone of your life. Um, Coming to me, I think we all share a very special bond with each other, and I think my special days with you are the days when I lived with you in Begumpet, and we did a lot of things in that house. Had fun baking, had fun living together, watching movies. You got married, and a lot of other things which we did, crazy stuff that we did in that house, a lot of memories. I really love you and thank you for being there in my life. I love you. Have a very 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 happy birthday and more messages and more videos to come forward. Bye.
Uh, Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Harita. God bless you. నువ్వు నా కోడలు కాదు, నా కూతురువి. నేను సన్నికి ఇచ్చి పెళ్లి చేసుకుందాం అన్నప్పుడే అని నిర్ణయించుకున్నప్పుడే నేను నీ కూతురు అని నాకు నువ్వు కూతురు అని డిసైడ్ చేసుకున్నాను. నేను అంత బాగా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయలేకపోవచ్చు, కానీ ఎప్పుడు నేను కూతురులాగే ట్రీట్ చేశాను. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ మై లవ్ అండ్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ టువర్డ్స్ యూ. నువ్వు నీ అకాడమిక్స్లో యు ఆర్ బ్రిలియంట్. యూ ఎక్సెల్డ్ ఇన్ యువర్ అకాడమిక్స్. నీ జాబ్లో యూ ఎక్సెల్డ్ యువర్ పొజిషన్. నౌ యాజ్ అ హౌస్ వైఫ్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ యువర్ బెస్ట్. I am very happy that you and Sunny, both of you, are bringing up your two cute kids very well. Thank you very much for giving me two wonderful grandchildren. నువ్వు ఈ కోడలుగా కూడా నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ డాటర్ ఇన్ లా అది హౌస్ మా ఇంటికి. యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ వెరీ ప్రైమ్ అండ్ ఎ వెరీ keen role to play. I'm happy that you are shaping up very well in that. I'm very confident that you can handle it to the best of your ability. You update traditions, customs, family, slowly you are adapting to them, performing them very well. I'm very, very happy to see the growth of our family like that. Please keep in mind, you are the pillar of the house hereafter. You have to take up all responsibilities of the family because we are growing old and you both became mature, and it's the right time to take over all the responsibilities of the house. Please, I am very confident that you both can handle that. Please take over. Bring up your children very well and shoulder the responsibility of the family. Keep up the traditions, keep up the customs, be patient, and I wish that you will have a very, very bright, happy, healthy, and satisfactory, peaceful life. And I wish you celebrate many, many more birthdays of this kind. And I thank you very much once again for being part of the family and shouldering all the responsibilities of as a daughter-in-law as well as a daughter of Prabhakar. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless your husband. God bless your children. God bless the family. Thank you very much. Good luck.
హాయ్ అంత హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. నువ్వు మా ఇంటికి వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుంచి నాకు ఆడపిల్లలు నేను లోటు తీర్చావు. చక్కగా అందరితో బాగా మిక్స్ అయిపోయావు. తర్వాత శుభ్రమైన మనవాళ్ళని ఇచ్చావు, రియాన్, అకీరాని. వాళ్ళు చక్కగా పెరిగి పెద్దవాళ్ళు అయిపోతున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమో నువ్వు మీ మామగారు చెప్పిన మాటకి గౌరవం ఇచ్చి జాబ్ మానేసి పిల్లల్ని చూసుకో అమ్మా అంటే చక్కగా పిల్లల్ని చూసుకుంటున్నావు. అంతకంటే అదృష్టం ఏముంటుందమ్మా? ఆ పని నువ్వు మీ మామగారి మాట గౌరవం ఇచ్చి చేస్తున్నందుకు నీకు హ్యాపీ, వాళ్ళకి హ్యాపీ. ఆల్రెడీ అక్కి కూడా పెద్దదైపోతుంది. మీ నలుగురు హాయిగా ఉంటే మాకు అదే 10,000. ఆల్రెడీ మేము 60స్లోకి వచ్చేసాం. ఇంక మీరు చక్కగా మీ పిల్లల్ని పెంచి పెద్ద చేసుకుని హాయిగా ఉండండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే హరిత.
Hi Artha, I thought I could get away with this. I thought I don't need to make the video because I'm the husband and I have the privilege of saying all of this to you in person, so I don't need to make the video. But unfortunately for me, Monu told me that I have no such privileges and I have no choice but to make the video. So yeah. And then I thought I'll make something funny or do something funny. Couldn't think of anything funny. So then I decided to say what I felt like saying. We've known each other for a couple of decades now, quite closely. I always thought you were way out of my league. And I don't know how I got you. I guess I got a little lucky. You've achieved so much before you even turned 40. You wanted to become a partner in Amarchand even while you were in college, that you achieved. And then you wanted to experience motherhood, that you achieved. And how you have two wonderful kids who are so smitten by you that they completely see through their father whenever you're around. If you want a yardstick to know how much you've achieved before you even turned 40, you have one right at home. I'm almost 40 and I'm still trying to figure out what my priorities in life are and what I want to do in my life. So yeah, that gives you an idea. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful mother to Rian and Akira. They'll keep learning a lot from you as they grow up. You can teach them while I unteach them. Thank you for putting up with me, putting up with my eccentricities and sometimes crazy self-destructive ideas and plans. So thank you for being there. It's been a roller coaster for us over the years. It's been a lot of fun. We've had so much fun going through whatever it is, ups and downs. And I hope we keep going on like this and having a lot of fun for a long time to come. And very happy 40th birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope I manage to make you have a wonderful day. So let's see. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy. You're the sweetest mom in the whole world. Happy to you. Happy to you.
హలో హరిత, హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే. ఈసారి బర్త్డే నీ దగ్గర ఉండడం అవ్వలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం నీ దగ్గరే ఉంటాను. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నా, మేమందరం ఇక్కడ ఉన్నా, నీ మీదే దీక్ష, మా దీక్ష అంతా నీ మీదే ఉంటుంది. పిల్లలతోనూ కిరణ్తోనూ కలిసి బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చెయ్యి బర్త్డే. నా తరపు నుంచి రియాన్ని నిన్ను ముద్దు పెట్టుకోమని చెప్పు. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే. బాయ్.
Happy birthday, Harita. Welcome to the 40s Club. I love you so much. And very, very proud of you. I wanted to say, like, you've been such a big pillar of support for Daddy, Mummy and me, and all three of us are extremely, extremely proud of you. Right from school, what you have achieved. You have been a prefect, you've been so good at studies, you have been VC for Chanak House, you were director of Nature Club. To achieve all that in one of the best schools in India is really commendable. And coming to college, getting into such a wonderful college and scholarship, earning a scholarship, and then of course the gold medals, and you've achieved also so many other things in college. So I think they're just awesome. And then at work, you always wanted to get into the best firm in India. You have been a part of it. You have moved up the ladder, and obviously also been a partner there. So it's just amazing. I think no amount of accolades will do justice. I know what you're going to say. You're going to say there are a lot of others who achieve these things, but I want you to know that you cannot undermine yourself, because all those people who have achieved those things have an entourage behind them, but you had nothing more than just opportunities, and you have worked really hard and made the most of those opportunities, and that I think calls for an immense amount, a different level of respect, because you're self-made. So I just want to keep telling you this, because daddy ke liye to you were his sar ka taj. I think nothing would have given him more happiness than, you know, to see you achieve all this, and I'm so glad that he did. He was able to enjoy this, and you know, yeah, I mean, I wish he was there for longer, but at least he saw you achieve all this, and I think that was good. And mummy doesn't say it enough, but I'm sure she's also really, really proud. I think I make it very clear that I'm very, very proud of you. So what else? Even today, we are so proud of you. What you're striving to achieve, raising 2 kids, is just no easy feat. So you have always, what I admire most about you is that you choose to tread on the most difficult path. Initially I get angry with that, because I think you're putting yourself into so much of trouble, but ultimately you succeed, and that just amazes me. So what else? I want to give you a piece of advice. This is something that I have also been wanting to do. Change the motto a little bit. We have always learned that we have to strive for perfection. I think that is a tad bit overrated. There is so much effort and time and energy and hassle and pain in trying to achieve something and trying to make that perfect. I think we should change our motto from strive to perfection, to pursuit of happiness. Because Nikki recently shared something. She said done is better than perfect. So I think tum thoda chill maro, be easy on yourself. Don't actually just look for some fun, have some fun. So that's what I wish for the years to come. You have find happiness and have lots of fun. That's it. So happy birthday, love you loads.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Harry. So Shaiju didn't know what else to say or to wish you, so he decided he's just going to sing it. Okay. So happy birthday, Harry. Happy 40. You want to wish it before I talk?
Happy birthday, Harry. And we are all there in stages. We are reaching 40.
Yeah, so
hang in there.
Yeah, hang in there till we all get there, one after another. Next year, 3 of us will join you, hopefully. And hopefully, no?
3? Who's 3? That's Kiran.
Yeah. Anyway, I hope you love your 40th birthday as I loved my 30th. As you know, 40s are the new 30s, okay? And don't hate me for saying this, but I think 20 years down the line, I'll still tell you that, it will get better. Eventually, it will get better with the kids. Right? It will get better. We are getting better. So you will get better too. Okay, so I think it's really cool that we had kids around the same time. We passed out of college around the same time. We did our
Getting
first...
emotional now.
No, I'm just thinking of all the good things. Okay. So Shaiju just talks like this when he's a little nervous. Anyway. yeah, so I think it's a really nice thing to kind of graduate at the same time, to get our first jobs in the same year. So and then the fact that we have kids back to back together, I think is so amazing. Yeah, so we both can feel old together. Yeah, and I hope that 40th will always be memorable because of the stupid COVID-19. And I promise each other, we should promise each other that as soon as this is over, birthday or not, we should not pick dates, we should just celebrate, pick a month and celebrate each one's birthday repetitively. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And have a good 40th year, have your good 40s. Yay.
Happy birthday! You are turning 40. 40. Happy birthday. It is awesome that you are turning 40. And I just wanted to tell you that you're one of those really cute sisters who was nerdy and cute, who would choose not to sit out in the balcony during late night gossips during summer holidays, but who chose sleep over all of that. And I just connected a lot with you. I was growing up, and it was awesome to actually see your journey from that really sweet, innocent sister to moving out and becoming like this responsible and the shining light of the family in like college, and then being independent, and then from there making this amazing choice of getting married to Kiran and having these amazing two awesome kids. It's so awesome to see this whole journey of yours, and I'm looking forward to see what happens at and after 40. So happy 40th birthday, and have a blast.
So there were a couple of things that I also wanted to tell about when I think about you and me. I've always thought of you like this రోషన్ చిరాగ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఫ్యామిలీ. మన అందరిలోకి చదువు ఎవరికైనా ఎక్కిందంటే అది నీకే ఎక్కింది, నీ తప్ప ఇంకెవరికి ఎక్కలేదు మాకు సరిగ్గానే. అంటే మన ఫ్యామిలీలో ఒక టాపర్ ఉంది అని అంటే అది నువ్వే హర్త, అంటే నీ తర్వాత ఇంకెవరన్నా అని. సో హోప్ఫుల్లీ దిస్ జనరేషన్ విల్ డూ అస్ ప్రౌడ్ బై హ్యావింగ్ మోర్ దెన్ వన్. బట్ మా జనరేషన్లో నువ్వే హర్త, నీకన్నా అసలు ఇంకెవరు టాపర్ లేరు మనందరి మధ్యలోని, రైట్? సో అదొకటి మటుకి నాకు చాలా, ఐఎమ్ ఆల్వేస్ అమేజ్డ్ వెన్ ఐ థింక్ అబౌట్ యూ. గోల్డ్ మెడలిస్ట్ మన జనరేషన్ నువ్వే. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వన్. సెకండ్, నువ్వు మదర్ ఇండియా అసలు, ఎందుకంటే నీకున్నంత ఓపిక పిల్లలతోని ఐ కాంట్ ఇమాజిన్ ఎవర్ డూయింగ్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ యూ డూ విత్ ద కిడ్స్, మ్యాన్. It's like so much of patience. Where do you get that kind of patience? Anyway, I just wanted to also say that I love you. I love you as my sister, and I'm so grateful to God that you're there in my life. Okay, so that's the emotional part without Shaiju being around. Others will make me laugh. Okay, bye.
Hello, Hari. Many happy returns of the day. Huh? After a long time, I think I'm wishing you like this. Huh? And you're making me to recollect, how I brought you into this world. Huh? Small, little, chubby, little, cute teddy bear. You got two. And now that teddy bear has got two more teddy bears now. Huh? Enjoy your birthday today. And let Kiran also ensure that the whole family now has to start learning to enjoy by themselves. ఇంత ముందులా కాదు మరి, ఆల్ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ అయితే ఎవ్రీబడి యూస్ టు బి దేర్. Since now that you people are alone, of course reasons are known to us, otherwise I'm sure it would have been a wonderful birthday party. Thank you. All the best, Talli. May God bless you. Baba's wishes are always there for you. Understand? And anything, please be in touch with me and let me know. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Harita. Welcome to Club 40. May the next 40 years be more enjoyable and fulfilling than the previous years. Enjoy.
Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light. this line is a perfect example of what we're going through right now. So even though the times are hard, enjoy your day and like have fun. So I wanted to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Harry Penny, because like I love you so much and I absolutely love talking to you about like books and movies and all those kinds of stuff because you understand them and like our conversations are so much fun. So once again, happy birthday, have a blast, peace.
Hi Harry, happy birthday.
Hi Harry, happy birthday. Wish you the best for 40th birthday.
Yeah, Harry, I can't believe it. It's been so long since I met you.
+1.
And I can't believe it that time has passed so fast.
She's the mother
It's
of two
been
now,
no, not like that.
then
It's
like
been 22 years since we know each other,
really?
and generally, I mean, I kind of miss you. We both miss you. We miss all the times we've
I don't miss Harita, I miss Chinnamma Garu.
Yeah, we miss working together, and I also miss our egg dissonance group meeting together, and generally it's been very long, and if it was not for COVID, instead of sending you videos like this, we would be I guess meeting in person and celebrating.
What did you do for 40th birthday? Nothing, okay, sidebar, but have a good one, Harry.
Yeah, have a good one, be safe.
Happy birthday to one of the nicest and sweetest persons I know. Harita, we've been friends for 20 years now, and I think you're truly awesome. And I wish I listened to you more often. Have a nice year, have a lovely day, and I can't wait to meet you in person and actually have a good party.
Hi Harry, happy 40th birthday to you. I can't believe you're already 40. I mean, you look like you're in your 20s still. You've had an amazing career. You're now busy with your family. We hope you get time for your friends again. And we hope you get to see more of you in your 40s. I hear 40s are flirty and naughty. So enjoy the phase, enjoy this new decade. This is a bad start to the year, but hopefully it will get better soon. And hopefully we'll get to see you soon. Take care. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Hi Harry, wish you a very happy 40th birthday, and I hope you have an amazing life ahead and your life sparkles like diamonds and rubies. I still remember all the good times we had in college together, the times that we spent walking on campus, sitting and chatting about nothing. I still remember how difficult it was to wake you up every morning to go to class, and everyone on the floor would get scared to wake you up, so they'd say, go, Nams, go, wake up Harita. It was so much fun. Wish you a very happy birthday and have an amazing, amazing life ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harita. Harry, happy birthday to you. Can't believe you're turning 40. And it's 20 years since we graduated from school. And I still feel if we meet up again, we'll be back to this 18-year-old, 16-year-old kids in front of the statues and doing Pagalpatti. Miss you. Really miss you guys. Miss all of you together, and I hope we are able to meet sometime soon. Lots and lots of love. Hugs and kisses. I'm not calling myself Dum Dipu in this video. Bye.
Harita, happy birthday! We've known each other for 35 years now, and we've had so much fun growing up together.
our childhood, our growing years, everything has been just so much fun and awesome. I feel so lucky to have a friend like you, and when we meet, we just pick up from wherever we left off. We don't have to keep in touch and talk every day, and we're still there for each other. We can just pick up the phone and call each other anytime we want, and I miss you. I wish we could spend our 40th together, our big 40 together. Love you, Harita. Miss you so much. Hope you have a great day, and I know you're gonna rock that 40. Mwah. Love you so much.